Morning, sir.
Good morning, Vanya. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. I'm doing breakfast.
Yeah, I'm just munching on some chips and stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I couldn't make it the other day. It was my birthday, so my 21st birthday, so it was a busy day.
Okay. Belated happy birthday, Vanya.
Thank you.
But you are joining physics classes regularly. You are only skipping maths classes.
No. It was just the maths class was on that day, so I had to skip it. It was like such a busy day for me. So yeah. See, I got my nails done. 21st nails.
Hey, that's beautiful.
Huh, yes.
Okay. Can you please remind me what's the last topic which we have covered?
It was the quadratics. You gave me homework on the fractions. There were 3 questions, and then after that, it was nature of roots that you said we were going to cover. Okay, that.
I have given you 3 questions. So have we covered this, the discriminant?
I think we did, yes, but we didn't go in depth into it or anything. Just degrees and stuff like that, and the basics of algebra.
Okay. Okay. So we have covered the roots of quadratic equation. You might have written the definition also.
Yeah, I wrote it down.
Okay. So, what can you tell me what were those homework questions? Because I don't have right questions.
Oh, yes. It was x plus 1 over x equals to 2x.
And what you have to do in this one? You have to solve or you have to form the quadratic equation.
Whatever
Uh,
is done on the right, you have to do it on the left. So I actually got help for this. um, but I think the 2x changes to a negative 2x. So it will be x plus 1 over x minus 2x equals to 0.
Okay. That will be the next step. And then have you simplified it further?
Yes. And then I think you have to multiply the x by
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
And then, so x times x is x squared.
Mhm.
X times 1 is just 1.
Yes.
And x times negative x is negative x squared.
So it is
Negative 2x squared. Negative 2x
yes.
squared
Yes. Negative 2x
equals to
square.
0.
Yes.
Equals 0. Okay.
Okay.
And then the positive x squared becomes negative.
Then
Negative x squared.
yes, negative x square.
Um, plus 1
Hmm.
equals to 0.
Yes. So is it a quadratic equation?
Yes.
Yes, it's a quadratic. Okay. And the next question.
Next question is 20 plus 20 over x equals to 3.
Okay, what's your final answer for this one? Just tell me the final equation.
It would be 0. Well, 17x plus 20 equals to 0. That's what it is.
17x plus 20 is equals to 0. Okay. Let's check. Okay. So you might okay, 17x, yes, correct. So which type of equation is this?
The quadratic.
But there is no square term, no square over the variable.
No, it's a not a quadratic. It's a is it a binomial? I don't.
It's a linear equation.
Linear. Oh my gosh, it's linear.
Okay, the next question.
Okay, the next one was 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 3 equals 10.
Okay, and what's your final answer for this one?
It is negative 9 x to the power of 3 equal.
Okay, can you please repeat because your voice was breaking at that time.
Negative x cubed.
Okay,
Sorry, negative 9x cubed. What am I saying? Negative 9x cubed
okay,
plus 1 equals to 0.
yes, that is correct. And which type of equation is this?
It is it linear?
No.
Quadratic.
For linear, the power of the variable should be 1. And here the power of the variable is 3.
3. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Is it cubic?
Yes, it's cubic. Correct. Okay. So have you written this?
Yes, sir. That was the last of the notes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So there will be two types of roots. The first one is real roots. Second one is imaginary roots. Real roots includes every type of number. It can be positive number, negative number. It can be in decimal. It can be in fraction. It can be in a square root. So real numbers consist of any type of number. But imaginary roots, such numbers or such roots doesn't exist in mathematics. That's why they are named as imaginary roots. So whenever there is a negative number placed in the square root, so such numbers are known as imaginary roots. So just remember, if there is negative term present in the square root, so that will be imaginary, and the rest, any type of number will be real.
So,
Is it okay, Vanya?
sorry, you just got stuck there. So basically if it's a negative number, it's imaginary.
If it's negative number and it is inside the square root, then it's
Okay.
imaginary. Yes. And
Like the
rest,
negative
any type
x,
of, yes,
like the negative 4 that's in the square root, it's imaginary.
yes, yes. It is imaginary, and rest, any type of number will belongs to the real number category. So the discriminant is used to find out the nature of the roots, and the formula for the discriminant is b square minus 4ac. It is denoted by it, some in some books it is denoted as this triangle, and in some books it is denoted by the capital D. Its formula is b square minus 4ac, and a, b, c are taken from this standard form. B is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of x. A is the coefficient of x square, and c is the constant term. So if I take the okay. And so there might be three possibilities for the discriminant. It might be greater than 0, means it is positive. The second possibility is it is equals to 0. And the third is it is less than 0, that is a negative. These three types of numbers are possible: positive, negative, and 0. So whenever the number is positive, it means it is greater than 0. So there will be two roots of the equation, and both roots will be distinct or unequal, means both roots will be different, like 2 or 3. These are the two roots, and both roots are different. But when the discriminant is exactly equals to 0, so there will be two roots, but both roots will be equal, like 2 and 2. And when the discriminant is less than 0, means it is negative. So then there will be no real roots. There will be only imaginary roots of that quadratic equation. And we will not solve such type of equation in which no real root exists. So have you also drawn this table?
No, haven't drawn that.
Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, please ask. So, how was your birthday?
It was great. It was a fun full day. I did my hair, I did my nails. They sang happy birthday when I came home. And then I went out to the casino and I had a few shooters and I drank a little bit and I came and I met some friends and I went to the movies and then I came back home. Yeah.
So, you did everything possible.
Yeah, basically. Okay, so noted.
Okay. Do you have any doubt in this one?
Yes, yes. Oh, let me just take down the examples. Oops. Um, mm, mm.
Yes. Any doubt, Vanya?
Two unequal real roots, two distinct real roots. Okay, I get that. One double real root. Okay. Okay, I understand.
Okay. So now you have to tell me the answer of this question. This is multiple choice. Options are given. It is given that the discriminant of the quadratic equation is 7. So you have to tell me that what will be the nature of the roots.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Okay, 7, the nature of the roots will be, I think it would be the quadrant is 7.
So in table, in the previous table, there were 3 columns. The first one was this, second was this, and the third one was this. So in which now it is given that the discriminant is 7. So it is fulfilling which condition? The first one, the second one, or the third one?
I think it would be C.
C.
I think.
Okay. Yes, that's the correct. Real and unequal.
Yeah.
Okay. And if the discriminant of the quadratic equation is 0, then what will be the nature of the roots?
It would be equal. It'll be A. Wait, it'll be real
Yes.
and real.
Yes. And if the discriminant of the quadratic equation is -1,
It will be imaginary.
yes. So now let's see how to find the nature of the roots. If the discriminant is not given, so we have to find if we have to determine the nature of the roots. Okay, so this is the formula b square minus 4ac. So firstly, we should know the value of a, b, and c. So can you tell me, Vanya, what will be the value of a, b, c from this equation?
It would be 1.
Yes, a will be 1, correct.
It would also be 1, I think, for B.
Okay. I'm writing here the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So what
Okay.
is b? B is the number which is written in multiplication with x. So now you have to see in this equation, this is x. Now which number is in multiplication? -6. You have to consider the sign also. So the value of b will be a -6.
Oh, okay.
And c is the constant term, means the term with which no variable is present. So that will be 9.
9.
C will be 9. Yes. So now we know the value of A, B, and C. So substituting the value of A, B, C in this formula. So -6 square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 9. So what will be the square of -6, Vanya?
That'll be -6 times -6, right?
Yes.
36.
Yes, it will be 36. And 4 into 1, 4, and 4 into 9, 36. So 36 minus 36, that is 0. So the value of the discriminant for this equation is 0. So what will be the nature of the roots? it will be real and equal
Yeah.
because the discriminant is 0.
Okay. So that would be would it be -4 times 1, right? And then times 9,
Yes.
which is 36.
Yes.
Right.
36 minus 36, it will become 0.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, do you have any doubt, any problem in this one, the first equation?
No.
So, Vanya, why are you taking only one classes a day?
Yes. 1.
Yes. What's the reason that you are taking only one class per day?
No, I'm only doing 2 subjects, so like the maths and the physics, and so they just did it for me like 1 day maths, 1 day physics, 1 day maths, 1 day physics. Yeah.
Okay.
So for the second one, is it right if I say 25 minus 16?
Yes.
Would that be that correct? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. I got my answer, I think.
Okay. So, what's the value of discriminant?
Okay, I think it's the answer is 9 and it's a positive.
Okay, and what will be the nature of the roots?
It would be real,
Real and
real and distinct.
yes, correct. Okay, and now the last one. Please try the last one also.
Okay, oh, I didn't do the last one. Let me do the last. Real. It's done.
Yes, what's the value of the discriminant?
It is imaginary root.
Okay,
The answer would
imaginary
be negative. Yeah, negative 48. So it's imaginary root.
negative
48.
48.
Yes.
Okay, it is imaginary. This
Okay.
is correct. And let me check this. So here b square minus 4ac. So b is 2. So 2 square minus 4 into a, value of a is 3. So 3 into c, and the constant term is 1. So 2 square is 4 and minus 4 into 3, 12 into 1, 12. So 4 minus 12, that will be negative 8. I think you have multiplied 4 and 12, negative 12.
No, so I did. Is it not 48? Negative 48.
No, it's negative 8.
No. Wait, oh my gosh. Why did I put 4 times negative 12? My God. Why did I do that?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Okay. Negative 8. Oh God. That was a major mistake on my side. Oops. I don't know why I put times negative 12. Oh, okay, negative 8. Okay, we
Okay,
know
so
the
it's yes. So any doubt in the discriminant, how to calculate discriminant and how to determine the nature of the roots?
no doubt in that stuff. I got this.
Okay. Okay. So Do you watch football?
Now and then. More of a rugby fan.
Okay, so still, if you have to choose between these two players,
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo and Messi. Okay, Ronaldo.
It's Ronaldo. Yeah.
Okay, so there's a football match and in which the Cristiano Ronaldo scored x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0 goals. So means the goals are given in the form of equation. So you have to tell that is it possible to score that number of goals. So it means you have to calculate the discriminant and you have to tell if the discriminant is 0 or greater than 0 means there are it is possible because the roots will be the value of roots will belongs to the real number. So in such type of question where yes.
Okay, so if it's obviously if it's like 0 and it's a positive number, it would be possible, right? But if it's like a negative number, it wouldn't be possible. All right.
Yes.
Because no one really scored -4 and -3.
Yes. Okay, so please find the value of the discriminant for this question.
Right.
Hey students! Interested in boosting your studies? Enroll now at Keddy Edtech. We offer online tuition for the Cambridge curriculum, grades 6 to IGCSE, AS, and A-level. Start learning with us today.
Same answer.
So what's the value of the discriminant for this equation?
It's a -11. It's an imaginary root.
So will it be possible or not?
Not possible.
Okay, so sorry, it's Ronaldo. It is not possible to score goals. Okay, that's correct. Okay, that's why you can see Ronaldo is crying because the number of goals wasn't possible. Okay, then it is written that the Messi scored 3x minus 6 is equals to 0 goals. So it's a linear equation. So we cannot find the discriminant for linear equation. So how can we find that is it possible or not? So we will solve the linear equation. We will transpose this -6 on the other side. So 3x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 6 over 3. So x is equals to 2. So means the number of goals scores are 2. It is possible if it was negative or it was in fraction or it was in decimal, then it would not have been possible. But since it's a complete whole number, so that is why it is possible that a player can score such number of goals. So its answer will be yes, that it is possible, because after solving this equation, we are getting R2 as the answer. So that's why it will be possible. I know
Okay,
you
so
are
can I just
not
note?
feel. Yes, please note this down. I'm saying that I know that you might not be feeling good that Ronaldo hasn't been able to score goals and Messi has scored 2 goals in this question.
So I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So I can't hear you properly because they're busy drilling in my house over here. So
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
wait, let me try putting my earplugs in. Yes, I think now I can hear you extra clear because I got my earplugs in.
Okay. So I was saying that you might be disappointed that Messi uh, is able to score some goals in this question and Ronaldo wasn't.
Yeah.
So whenever there is a linear equation, we have to solve the linear equation. There is no such thing discriminant unlike we have for the quadratic equation to calculate. For linear equation, we have to solve the linear equation directly.
Okay, so this would be known as this would be an unequal root, right?
For this equation, or you are talking about this
Just
previous
no,
quadratic
no.
equation?
The messy
This
question.
one.
Either is it equal and real or is it?
No. See, those conditions are valid only for the quadratic equation. They are not valid for
Oh,
the linear equation. Yes.
oh, okay. Okay, noted.
Okay. Okay. So now there are methods to find the roots. We have covered the nature of the roots and now how to find the roots. So there are 3 methods. First is quadratic formula. Second is factorization or middle term split method. And the third one is the most important, completing the square method, because every time you can, if you have the past year papers, you can see that every time there is a question based on the completing the square method. Okay, so starting with the quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is basically very simple. There is a formula and you have to substitute the values. Like this is the formula for quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Like for the discriminant, firstly we calculated the value of ABC and then substituted in the formula. Similarly, Firstly, we have to find the value of ABC, and then we have to substitute these values in the formula. Or you can write this formula as minus B plus minus square root of D over 2A. Why I have written D? Because you can see here in this formula, it was written B square minus 4AC. And we know that B square minus 4AC is a discriminant, that is D. So I have replaced that by D. So that's the formula. D is not this term. It is also so based on the standard form. So A will be the coefficient of x square, B will be the coefficient of x, and C is the constant term.
Sir, can you go back to the previous slide?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Next slide, please. Yeah.
So Vanya, you will be writing exams in the month of October, November, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And what's your subject combination means? Pure Maths 1, Pure Maths 2 and 3. So which
Uh,
you have opted for?
well, I just now doing the pure mathematics and the statistics. That's all
I think
I didn't know there was like other things. I'm just doing AS level pure maths and then the statistics. But we're actually those like 2 papers. Yeah.
okay. So and there are 2 parts of the statics. So which one you have opted for?
Are there 2 parts?
Yes, there are 2 parts of probability and statistics.
I didn't even know that. Please explain to me. Please explain to me the 2 parts.
Okay, just note this down. Then I will share the screen again
Okay.
with the syllabus.
Because I was totally unaware of that. I just know that it was choosing between mechanics and statistics, and I chose statistics. Probability and statistics.
Okay.
So what is where A, B, C, and then there's like a E? What is that?
It means belongs to. ABC belongs to. Capital R means real number.
Can I just write belongs to, or do I have to write that thing?
You can write belongs to, and in bracket you can write that symbol also.
Okay. Okay. Noted, sir.